Hello children, welcome to the new session. Today we are going to learn about building numbers and rounding the numbers to the nearest 10. So let's see. First we are going to look into building numbers. Here we are using digits to make the greatest and the smallest numbers. Let's see how will you arrange the given digits to make the greatest number possible. First example, 4, 8, 7, 5. So we can write the greatest number first. 8, 7, 5, 4. To build the greatest number, write the digits in decreasing order. Biggest to smallest number we are arranging to make the digit as greatest number. Second example, 0, 6, 5, 3. So here the greatest number first is 6, then 5, then 3, then 0. So when you get the numbers or digits to make the greatest number, we can write in decreasing order or descending order. Now let's look into smallest numbers. Rearrange the digits 3, 5, 9 and 2 to make the smallest number possible. Let's go. To build the smallest number, write the digits in increasing order. So the number will be 2359. 2, 3, 5, 9. Clear? So second example, 7, 0, 6, 9. So here the smallest number is 0. But we can't write 0 as the first number. So then look into second smallest number in the given digits. That is 6. So the number becomes 6, 0, 7, 9. So 0 can't be written as first number. So we are writing to the second position. So the number will become 6079. Clear? So if we are arranging the numbers to make possible greatest number, we can write in decreasing order, and if the number should be arranged in smallest numbers, we can write in increasing order. Clear? Now we are going to look into rounding numbers. Here we are going to learn how to round the numbers to the nearest 10. That means when we are rounding a number to the nearest 10, look at the ones place. Okay, so if the ones digits is 4 or less, which means the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be coming in ones place, we can round to the smaller 10. We can round the number to the smaller 10. And if the ones digit is 5 or more, which means 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is come into ones place, we can round to the bigger 10. I'll explain it. Let's see the example. First number is, we are taking 33. So 33 is a number which is in between 30 and 40. Okay, here the ones place is 3. So we know that the numbers in ones place, if it is 4 or below 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming in ones place, we can round down. That means 33, 3 is in ones place, it goes to 30. The number is in between 30 and 40, but 33 goes to 30. Clear? Second example, 48. So this number is in between, 48 is between 40 and 50. So look into the ones place number. Yes, that is 8. We know that if the ones digit is 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is coming into the ones place, we can round up the number. That means 48 is nearest to 50. So one more example, 55. Number in ones place is 5. We know the number which is coming in ones place 5 or more, it goes round up. So it is between 50 and 60. So 55 is clearly goes to 60. Clear? I hope you understand today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.